Standard. Let us see how to speak over the phone.
Hello. Hello, may I please speak to Sadhana? May I know who is speaking? I am Sugandhi, her friend. Just a minute. Sadhana, it's for you. Hello, hello. I am not able to hear you. Speak a little louder. Hi, Sadhana. I'm audible. This is Sugandhi. How are you? What a surprise! I am good. What is the matter? I am going to the library tomorrow. Would you like to come? With me? Of course. I need to renew my membership card. Good. I will pick you up around 7:30. The library opens at 9 a.m. Okay, I will be ready.